Choosing the right mobile platform is a critical first step in app development. This decision not only determines the technical foundation of your project but also has a significant impact on overall costs and future scalability. Different platforms, such as iOS and Android, come with their own development requirements, user demographics, and market reach. Selecting the most suitable platform ensures that your app can efficiently grow and adapt to changing needs. Ultimately, a well-informed choice at this stage sets the groundwork for long-term success and sustainability. Android app development has become a cornerstone for businesses aiming to reach a broad and diverse audience. One of its key advantages is the platform's widespread adoption, offering access to millions of users worldwide. Additionally, Android provides flexibility in customization and integration, making it suitable for a variety of business needs. However, developers often face challenges such as device fragmentation and ensuring compatibility across different hardware and software versions. Despite these hurdles, Android apps are ideal for companies seeking scalability, global reach, and the ability to tailor user experiences to specific markets. iOS app development offers a robust platform known for its stability, security, and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. Developers benefit from a consistent user interface and access to a wide range of tools, making it easier to create polished and reliable applications. However, the closed nature of iOS can limit customization and requires adherence to strict App Store guidelines, which may pose challenges for some projects. iOS development is particularly advantageous when targeting users who value privacy, performance, and a premium experience. It is most beneficial for businesses aiming to reach an engaged audience within the Apple device market. Cross-platform app development allows developers to create applications that run on multiple operating systems using a single code base. This approach can lead to significant cost savings, as it reduces the need for separate teams and resources for each platform. Scalability is another advantage, enabling easier updates and maintenance across devices. Cross-platform development is most effective for projects where uniform functionality and appearance are prioritized over platform-specific features. It is particularly suitable for startups and businesses aiming to reach a broad audience quickly without incurring the high costs of native development for each platform. In summary, selecting the right mobile platform for your business involves careful evaluation of several factors, including target audience preferences, budget constraints, and desired features. It's important to consider the scalability and security offered by each platform, as well as the ease of integration with existing systems. Businesses should also assess long-term support and update cycles to ensure their chosen solution remains viable. By weighing these considerations, organizations can make informed decisions that align with their strategic goals and deliver the best possible experience for their users.